It's floating! So it's a summit day today. 3 summit. I thought they were all as red, but mine's actually the red one, and the other 2 are black summits. So let's go out and have some fun. Oh, it's floating! It's stuck on the rock. So we can't go to the BMX trail. That's too bad. BMX is fun with the RCs. So we're gonna do a hill climb. This hill is pretty steep, but have a race, and first one behind this tree here. Actually, we should go now, eh? Since he's not ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Back up,
Now
Greg.
he's cheating.
Yeah, now he's cheating.
First he weighs the whole truck.
Okay, which one's my truck? Okay, that one.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ah, no!
Oh, it's like a motocross race.
That was a street jump. There, I came in second. You're dragging something. Broken top or something. And that is a stock brushed motor on the Summit. The only thing that's been changed on there is he's got a 1 servo, and it's an upgraded 35 kilo servo. 35, not kilos, but
35 kilo.
35 kilo, okay. Brush this. There's another stock. All ours are basically stock. I got branches. I'm carrying a tree with me. Flexing Saturday. It's floating. You don't have a boat, that's okay. As long as you got a Summit. There you go. Like, this is deep water here. I got water really deep. This thing is not. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. There we go. You didn't need my help. What happened? Yeah. Well, we need to get across there. Oh my God. There we go. Ah. They're way over there. Good thing I got boots. Gotta make sure not to fall down. He's stuck.
Back up, like my truck.
Oh, almost got it. There you go. I failed. So I'm flashing red. Either temp or lipo cut off. Motor doesn't seem to be hot. Now your face on YouTube. Oh, I lost.
Gotta do that with the new guy. First pass the rock wins. That'll make it nifty.
That rock way over there?
I ain't gonna win. You don't have balls on this truck, Francois, so we'll see what
Yeah, no balls in this truck. Okay, on three. 1, 2, 3. Try to push you off the way. Oh. Oh, I lost it.
A little oversteered.
Lock the diffs. It's going to be better for crawling. There we go. 1, 2, 3.
They may land nice in that depth.
Almost.
I almost used that branch for something else.
I'm impressed.
There you go. Just like a pro.